Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Adedoyin, and if you're watching me for the first time, you are absolutely welcome. So today's video, I am going to be showing you how I achieved and also how you can achieve this beautiful, simple and quick low bond protective hairstyle with your hair. And this hairstyle, you can achieve it in less than 1 hour. And so if you want to see how I did that, you can just keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to be doing is to moisturize my hair, and I'm using this leave-in conditioner from Zibel Cause Natural, and then I'm going to be applying that all over my hair, a generous amount of that all over my hair, and then I'm going to go ahead to apply this butter quench cream from the same brand just to add more moisture to my hair. I'm just going to be applying a generous amount of that all over my hair too, and then I'm going to be sealing all that moisture, all that goodness in my hair with this glossy sprout oil from the same brand also. And then this is to ensure that my hair is super soft to work with. And then I'm just going to start parting my hair in the direction that I want. I'm just going to start from the side of my hair in a curvy manner, going all the way to the back, and then I'm just going to be packing that hair in that side to ensure that I'm able to work directly with the part that I want to work with, just as you are seeing it right now. Now that I've gotten the parts that I want to braid, I'm just going to comb through it to remove any kind of tangle. And combing through it is super easy now because I already moisturized my hair and it's really soft now. And then I'm just going to be parting my hair into three, and I'm just going to be braiding it all the way to the back. And for this part, I am just using a smaller comb to ensure that there are no tangles in my hair at all, because it is not going to be funny when you are braiding your hair and there are tangles in it. You won't like it at all. So that's what I try to do, combing it with a smaller comb to ensure that there are no tangles whatsoever in that hair. Now that I am done with braiding my hair, I am just going to go ahead and apply my Eco Styler gel in argan oil. I'm going to be applying that all over the other part that I did not braid, just as you are seeing it. And then I'm going to be using my soft brush to gather it all the way to the back. I'm just going to be trying as much as possible to ensure that that part is as sleek as possible. And so I just did the same thing to the other part of my hair that is not braided, and then I'm just going to gather both of them into a small ponytail at the back, just as you are seeing it right now. It's really easy to do. Just ensure that you use a generous amount of gel to ensure that your hair is really sleek and it's laying really flat. And so after that, I am just going to be laying my baby hairs with the same gel, with the same Eco Styler gel with argan oil. This gel has super strong hold and I really like it. In fact, it's really the bomb. So after laying my baby hairs, I am just going to be using a scarf to tie my hair down to ensure that my hair sets really well, and just to ensure that my hair lays really flat. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply my makeup. After about 30 to 45 minutes, I'm just going to be attaching my Mali hair to my ponytail. And then I can, as you can see, I'm taking down my scarf right now, and you can see that my hair is super sleek, and I'm just trying to like put powder to the parts that the makeup did not get to. Now I'm going to be attaching my Mali hair to my ponytail, just as you're seeing it right now. And then I'm going to raise it like this and then pin it in three parts, to the right, to the left, and also to the middle, so that when you pull down the Mali hair, is going to cover the ponytail, just as you can see it right now. And it is essential that you get a Mali hair that matches your curl pattern. So after doing that, after pinning it down like that, I'm just going to be putting that Mali hair into a ponytail, something like that, just as you're seeing it right now. And then I'm just going to be bringing the ponytail inside, just to ensure that I am able to pin it really well. And then I'm just going to be pinning it down at the necessary parts to ensure that this Mali hair covers my own small hair, my own small ponytail, the rubber band and everything. And then to accessorize my hair, I'm just going to be using these hair curves. And that is really all for this video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.